Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can install the theme in just a few minutes on your website. So, in the previous video we have already uploaded all the files. So there's a total of two files. One is a zip file, as you can see here. For example, btc toyshop.zip, and then installer.php. We have uploaded that one on theme theme themedemo.kvsocial.com. And in order to start the installation, we just need to add slash installer.php. So it's gonna be your domain slash installer.php. So once we go to that site, we'll be able to see we would be able to see the installer duplicator. As you see, in step one, you see the requirements. Make sure this is a pass. If this is not a pass, that means that you have not either uploaded the files yet on the right website or the right folder. Okay, since it is a pass, let's just continue. And for the name, user, and password, we'll need the database name for name, the database username for the user, and the database password for the password. Right? Let's just copy and paste that information. All right, and click on test connection. All right, so both tests are a success. So we'll just click on I have read all warnings and notices. Click on run deployment. Click OK, and we have the old settings, new settings, and create your admin account. So under new settings, you can just leave URL and path. Uh, no need to make changes to that field. So we just need to change the title for our website. So let's say, for example, theme test. It's gonna be our title, and for our username and password. Now this is the logins you're gonna be using to log into the site. Basically, your WordPress logins. So you just need to enter, for example, your username for admin and the password you want to use. Alright, so once you're happy with those settings, just click on run update. Alright, so as you can see, the website has been installed. There's just some quick settings here that you might want to go through. So first one is install report. Alright, so as you can see, everything has gone through without any problems. There are zero deployment errors, zero update errors, and there are no warnings. Um, let's move on to number two, is save permalinks. Alright, as you can see, it's asking for a license key. So when you log into the members area at KV Social, let me just go back, log out, and log in real quick for you. Alright, so once you log into the KV Social members area, um, you'll need to go to Bitcoin stores or Bitcoin single depending on your subscription. Alright, and you'll need to click on site clone downloads. As you can see, you have a license key, a username, and an email. So you just need to copy the license key, paste it under enter key on your new website, and then the same thing with your username and the email address. Alright, so username is admin, and then our email, we're just gonna add our um, email address we have on the account. Okay, click on validate. Alright, so as you can see, the theme has been activated. We just need now to log into our WordPress or to our website. So that's the logins we set up earlier during the installer.php. So that's going to be admin, and then the password we used on there. Alright, so as you can see, we have now the permalinks, We just need to click on post name and then click on save changes. So that's number 2 finished. Let's check on number 3 for test site. As you can see, the site is loading properly, so there is there's no worries about that. So the site is working properly. That's step 3 done. And then the last is file cleanup. This is where the system will automatically delete the installer or the installer PHP and the zip file that you got the theme from. Alright, just click on file cleanup, click on OK. Alright, and as you can see, the cleanup is now finished, and it has removed some of the installation files. So your website will take up less space, and there is no security issue. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can easily install the theme. So again, just go to installer PHP, go through the same process, and then follow the steps on the page, and you should be good to go within just a minute or two.